we're really excited to be here today to try to get people to 100% coverage in Lawrence. Health insurance is very important. It doesn't matter if you're a new citizen, a new arrival. We want to make sure you have health coverage.
Lynn has one of the 5 highest rates of uninsured people in the state. So today's campaign kickoff will help close that gap. And again, we need to work together, and it's great to be walking around the community today. But today's just the start.
Good morning, Lowell. Lowell has many new immigrants, including Khmer speakers, Spanish speakers, and other ethnic and immigrant groups who are disproportionately uninsured due to language and cultural barriers.
Health Connected is coming here to work with small businesses, to work with the nonprofits, bring people in to make them aware of how they too can afford health care.
Community need to be more aware of how important it is to have health insurance to be covered.
We need coverage 100% here in Lawrence.
Let's go, Lawrence!
I've been visiting some local businesses here in Lawrence to put a window sign with the coverage crew to inform everyone that it's very important to be covered before January 23rd.
I'm glad that we can tell the community about this.
Mi motivación es que la persona de aquí de Lynn, la comunidad de aquí de Lynn, tenga su seguro médico porque es muy importante.
Get covered, Lynn.
Health insurance is very confusing, and this is the first step to make it very simple.
Don't just remember, I'm here I go.
Is a great place to get coverage because they offer affordable, high-quality health insurance for everybody in Lowell.
Vamos, Lynn!
Let's get to 100%, Lawrence! Let's get to 100%!